Hey, what's up, y'all? So I just wanted to make this quick video to be a video of encouragement. For whoever's watching this video, I want you to be encouraged by this video. And at the same time, I'm helping you while I'm helping myself too, because I'm being intentional in putting this video out here and putting myself out here as well. And what I've been learning lately is that as human adults, we have so many responsibilities, we have so many obligations, so many things that are required from us, right? Especially a person that is in a position of leadership, like you're the oldest or you're the provider or whatever the case might be, right? I feel like it's harder. And it's harder because everybody just tends to lean on you for guidance or just lean on you for encouragement or whatever the case might be, because they feel like, you know what, I'm not where I want to be in life. So who can I talk to that's like in a higher like place in their life of understanding, or, that I can talk to, right? And it's just like sometimes being that leader, it's not the easiest thing. It's like it's extremely hard. And whew, just thinking about it, like it's hard. And it kind of weighs on you a little bit, but it's just like you have to do what you need to do. You have to push through. It's like I have these long-term goals that I need to achieve in my life, and I'm not going to be fulfilled or happy until I do these things. And it's like I can sit here all day making up excuses on why I'm not in the position that I want to be in life, why I don't have the certain things that I want and require of my life so I can feel fulfilled before I die. I can think of a million excuses and a million reasons, but that's not going to help me. I'm not going to sit here in sorrow or, in pain and or fear of not having these things. I'm just going to be intentional about them. I'm going to work my butt off every single day, putting myself out here until I achieve those things. Because I want to be that leader for people, so people can see me and be like, you know what? He did it, so I can too. And it's that simple. But it's just like when we start to allow all our responsibilities and the things that we have to do in life cloud our judgment or stop us, put us at this standstill in life, then we're never going to achieve our long-term goals. And then at the same time, when you can't achieve or you don't achieve the things that you feel like that are important to you, you're going to feel resentful. You're going to feel resentful, just not just to people that's around you, but to the world, period. Because you're going to be like, dang, I was trying to be this good person, trying to be there for everybody, but I wasn't there for myself. We can't keep doing that, people. We have to be there for ourselves. We have to take care of ourselves. We really have to put ourselves in these positions of, hey, this is important for me, so I need to be intentional about this. For the people that's around you, you have to explain that to them. Like, look, I love you, but I have to do this for me, because if I don't want to live with regrets. I don't want to live my life saying, oh, I wish I would have did this. I wish I would have had this conversation with this person. No, do what you need to do for self. Everything else is going to fall into place. And just have faith. That's it. Have faith in yourself or whatever higher power that you believe in. You can do it. Just believe in yourself. Have a good day.